Hi there, students. Sucky, an adjective, a slang adjective. Okay, if something is sucky, it's not very good. It sucks. There's a friend of mine who always says, but my English sucks. And I say to him, if your English sucked, you wouldn't be using a lovely phrase like my English sucks. So no, his English is not sucky. If you're listening to this video, your English is not sucky. Okay, so sucky comes from something that sucks. If something sucks, it's bad quality, it's not very nice, it's boring, it's uninteresting, it's unpleasant. Yeah, so I'm sorry the party was so sucky. Yeah, let's see. This was a really sucky situation. Yeah, it was unpleasant. It was disagreeable. The merchandise that the shop was selling was really pretty sucky. It was poor quality. It was inferior quality. Yeah, I agree with you that what I did was pretty sucky. Yeah, it wasn't very nice. It wasn't very honest. Yeah, what I did sucked. It was just unpleasant and I shouldn't have done it. Maybe the job that somebody does is very sucky. It's inept. It's incompetent. They did a bodge job. Okay, so the guy told lots of sucky jokes that were just unpleasant and inferior. They sucked. Now you can also actually use sucky, meaning somebody who's trying to suck up to somebody, to ingratiate yourself. So if you're sucking up to somebody, you're being nice to somebody because you want something from them, you're buttering them up. So I hate his sucky attitude towards the boss, where he's trying to make the boss his best friend. It's really sucky. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Okay, so yeah, it's a really sucky attitude that he has. Okay, so something that's sucky, it's unpleasant, it's bad. Yeah. Okay, this job that I'm doing at the moment is a really sucky job. It's got long hours, low pay. Yeah, it sucks. It really does. Okay, so yeah, we've had really sucky weather so far this summer. It's rained nearly the whole time. My flat that I live in is really sucky. I wish I was richer and had money to rent somewhere nicer. Yeah, today is turning out to be a pretty sucky day. Today sucks. So it's very bad. It's very unpleasant. And then again, ingratiating, obsequious. Yeah. The dog put on a very sucky expression to see if it could get some food. But sucky is a slang word meaning awful. Now, several of the dictionaries say that this is American slang, but I hear my daughter using this phrase sucky all the time. So no, I think sucky is something that is now international. Okay, so something that's sucky, something that's inferior, something that's useless. The music in this place is always really sucky. Yeah, it's sucky when people try to make you do things that you don't want to do. It's disagreeable, it's unpleasant. Yeah, it's just not very nice. Okay, so sucky. Unpleasant, bad quality, dishonest, or you're sucking up to somebody, you're ingratiating yourself, you're buttering them up. And all of this, it comes from the word to suck. If something sucks, it's bad, it's terrible. And then suck itself comes from Proto-Germanic sukana, to suck, Proto-Indo-European sweg or swek, to suck as well. Formality. Something sucks. This is sucky. I think I'm going to give this a 3.5 in formality. Use it informally. Semi-formal conversation, just about, but I wouldn't use it any further than that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sucky.